In this video, I'm going to share with you the bonuses that you get when you decide to get started with the Home Business Academy with the Let's Goal app, which is actually only $10 to get started. So with only $10, you're going to get a ton of free bonuses. And I'm just going to come over here real quick, go to the Let's Goal app just so you can kind of see what this is about. It's a life transformation app. It's a productivity app. It helps with setting goals, achieving goals. It gives you a daily plan of action, doing proven activities that are going to help you become a better version of you in every area of your life. So we have spiritually, we have gratitude, visualization, your purpose, there's exercise, there's stretching, there's a digital journal, there's notes, everything you need to level up in life is in this product. And again, it's only $10. It's absolutely incredible. I personally use this product every day, this app, and it definitely helps me get more done and stay on track and achieve goals, set goals, achieve goals, develop good habits. I can't say enough about this app. Well, the reason I wanted to talk about this though is even at $10, one, you're going to get this app, which is also on your phone. And at $10, they'll pay you $8 commissions, $8 residual commissions, actually, if you decide you want to share it. You're going to get 7 free accounts. So what that means is you can share this app on a $10 subscription with 7 other people, including a spouse's account. Now, a spouse's account is really cool because it opens up the whole platform. So, whatever products you have, whatever you have access to, your spouse will absolutely have access to everything you do as well. So, lots of value for only 10 bucks. What I want to do now is I want to show you what you also get access to when you decide to get started for literally $10 with the Let's Go app. One, we're going to come over here to the social platform where you can see recognition is built in. There's all kinds of people in here posting content that is uplifting, inspirational, motivational, educational, um, and so forth. So you have a whole community culture built right into this, tons of support, tons of value. You can see recognition going on, live recognition going on all the time. And what I want to do now, so you're going to have access to this. Plus, we're going to go over here to affiliate. You get your whole affiliate back office. That's going to walk you through how to make your first 2 sales very quickly without setting anything up. Very simple to do. You get access to the income calculator, which is really cool because you can see exactly how many sales you need to make to reach your freedom income goal. And so there's no, it's not mysterious or anything. Like you know exactly what's required for you to reach that goal. And when you know exactly what it is, then you can plan accordingly. Now you have a plan, you have a goal, and you can go after it. You get all the affiliate training resources. But if I come down here to the business vault, you get, I'm sorry, bonus vault, you get all of these bonuses. So you get the magical morning formula, which is gonna, it's basically walks you through what the Let's Go app is without the Let's Go app. So essentially, the app makes it easier, but this video is all about that. Algorithms of abundance. What do successful people do to become wealthy? That's what this is all about. You got affiliate marketing domination course. This course was sold for $297, probably worth way more than that. And the guy right here, Mike Hobbs, he's the one that put this together. And this is what he did to dominate affiliate marketing promotions. So whenever a company or a product or anything had some kind of promotion, he would become a number one, winning those contests. And he'd be up against big time marketers and still win, still win those. And he walks you through this whole entire course. This is crazy. You get this again, even if you only are at the Let's Go at $10. So, I mean, there's just a lot of value here. And this is absolutely going to help you make more sales if that's what you want to do. If you just want to use the app to improve in all different areas, be more productive, you definitely do that. The ultimate copywriting headline formulation magic cheat sheet. Now look at this. This is incredible. This is very useful, especially if you are writing emails or any kind of copy for that matter. 7 essential copywriting power principles, and it's all outlined here. Very easy to follow. Uh, and you can see right here, proven headline formulas. And it's very easy, very well organized, easy to follow. Advanced headline formulas. You can come in here and check that out. And you get all this for, again, and it's kind of funny, but you get all this for $10. And the truth of the matter is, I didn't even realize you get all this for $10 because before it was at the $25 product level, the funnel builder. Uh, Quick templates, 71 profit pulling words that hijack attention every time. Now look at this. Here's all the words all laid out for you. And then more great headlines. Okay, so you get all that. And I'm not done. You get 111 emails that are done. You can come here and you can swipe the emails and it opens right up in here. And now with like Chat GPT or any kind of AI, you could drop that email in there and you can get it all mixed up right in Chat GPT and have a whole fresh new email. And you don't have to go and try to reinvent the wheel. These are already done. These were paid for to get these. These are completely free. And I'll be open it up just so you can see what it looks like. I mean, it's just very well organized, very easy to access, very streamlined. Like I love it. Hidden secret to stories that sell. Okay, so this is all about how to tell stories. Facts tell, stories sell. That's the saying. So this teaches you how to tell stories by a master of storytelling himself, Paul Hutchings. He's one of the co-founders of Home Business Academy, and 3 magic emails. So these are emails you can put into your autoresponder, and these emails are proven to get engagement and sell, make you sales. So these are the bonuses you get. And I want you to kind of see one thing underneath here, which is really cool. Like if I go back to this one here, maybe it's not in this one. I'll go back to this one right here, 3 magic emails. Look below this, autoresponder recommendation. So this system, so even if you're only at $10, let's say you have the autoresponder, there's different ones, but let's say you have the autoresponder that's in here, which is get response. That's what I have. Um, you could be making affiliate commissions when your people come through. They click on that box and they decide to go and get that autoresponder. There's all kinds of stuff that is within in a very strategic way laid out in this system where you can earn different streams of income. For example, I had someone go through one of the trainings that we have on solo ads. And that person went and purchased a solo ad from a certain vendor, and I got a commission for that. I didn't do anything. They just went to like a button just like this. So there's all these things built right into this to help you make more income. Okay, that's all I got for this video. I hope that helps. These are the bonuses you get even at only $10 for this LetsGoal app. Uh, yeah, I mean, I'm just blown away that they're giving all that for only $10. So thank you for watching. If you like what you see, just go to the link in the description and you'll be able to get started with the LetsGoal app for only $10. Okay, thanks again, and I'll talk to you soon.